This is the Hello World podcast, where we talk about habits of success, habits of excellence, entrepreneurship, leadership, learning and development, and outlook that will help us succeed through life. This is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of Learning Just Made Better, or LJMB.
There are times wherein you have to make very tough decisions. The situation is, chaotic. And I think it's very important for the team to see that they have a leader who is calm, composed, and collected. Because if they see that your leader panics, then even they will panic. So I feel that I need to continue to show that the situation is under control and that there are ways out. So I feel that's very important to continue to show your team that, so that they continue to have confidence that they are in good hands.
In our partnership with you in the last 3 years, we were a witness to how you led Bankcard to get into that top 5, that coveted top 5. Overachieved its targets. You're even ahead of your deadline to reach your number 1 metric by a full year.
That's correct.
This is organizational transformation inside and outside, because the stakeholders are witnessing it, no? Because customers, the industry, in the Yuchenko group of companies, you have been heralded because of that achievement. This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.